As we are back with another analysis to kickstart our new week ahead. Okay, so as of now, what are we looking at? As of now, we have the bearish movement. Okay, we have the bearish gap. This was largely due to the fact that we are experiencing escalation in geopolitical tensions with US and Iran. A new player has also joined the conflict. China has reportedly showed interest in the issue, and with that, and with the fact that there is no progress in terms of peace and in terms of de-escalation, we are seeing continued bearish movement in gold. But we are no stranger to this matter, as previously this whole bearish move was because of inflation fears from the war. And in terms of energy this time round, we are still seeing the risk of inflation. So a bearish move could be expected as well, but this definitely has to be supported by structure, and in this sense we do see external structure flipping bearish on the 15-minute time frame. Looking back, if we were to push out on towards the daily, on the daily there is nothing much to monitor. On the daily, price is still within the choppy range at the moment with no proper breakout lower. Pushing lower on the 4-hour, we do notice this gap, and there is a probability where price would there is also a possibility where price would fill up the gap before pushing lower. Okay, now pushing lower on the 4-hour is definitely a risk, as you should notice that the 4-hour external low is sitting at the 4600 level. What this means is, structure wise, we are still bullish on the 4-hour, even though we failed to form another higher high. The failure of forming another higher high is the reason why this is now not an external break of structure. The move here is only internal, and it doesn't bear much weight at all. Okay, so on the 4-hour, the level where prices must trade through to flip bearish is the 4600 level, and at this external 4-hour low. So if price does not take this out, we are still in bullish territory for the 4-hour. Pushing lower into the 1-hour level, it is still the same. We are looking at the 1-hour external low sitting right here. However, this 1-hour OB held. Okay, the 1-hour OB held very nicely. Okay, morning gap, opened lower, did not trade through the 1-hour OB and reacted off from that. So that means that this serves as a level of buyers. Okay, this serves as a level of buyers, and possibilities where price might re-enter that level is very high. Internally, we are forming lower highs and lower lows internally on the 1-hour. So that would mean we are internally bearish on the 1-hour as well. To regain bearish external structure, we will have to still close below the 4-hour external low. Pushing lower into the 15-minute time frame, this is what I'm looking at exactly. Okay, in the next 18 minutes we will close for the Asian session, and we would see if this Asian high holds. Okay, so what I would prefer for price to do is something like this: a sweep of the Asian highs and the London lows, a sweep of the highs and the lows as a level of resistance, for price to then